Well, you've probably seen me advertise a few times. The one over on the wall. A few photos online with me and Lauren Liddell. We've a lot with Makino, but Mazak. This was on my Cadillac. I gave a Cadillac to somebody that worked at Motor City who just retired, Gloria Trevino. And then we hired someone else. I'll keep it professional and keep the names out of it. They're not on any social media or anything, but this individual needed some help with some transportation, and we decided, you know what, it's a new employee. We want to take care of them. And I lent them a car, and they had it for a total of, I think, 4 days, and decided to get hammered and destroy the Cadillac and totaled it. So because it was a Cadillac, we have deemed this employee who's no longer with us the Cadillac Killer. And I guess I like helping people, but sometimes this just kind of reminds me that sometimes the old saying, no good deed goes undone. Sometimes it's accurate. It's not going to stop me from helping people. I know you're helping people all over the place, but I thought that was kind of funny. So I got it up on my desk. Finally got the vehicle back. It is totaled. But I got the license plate. I'm going to hang on to it.